Welcome. Today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 5G, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first we should open the settings application and then tap on the sounds and vibration. Then we'll see here the volume section, and just to mute our device ringtone we should hold and swipe to the left side. There is green dot. Also we can make it by the second way, but first we should be sure that the switcher is turned off to use the volume buttons to switch the the ringtones, not medias. And now just by press to the down volume button, down volume button, we can also mute our device ringtone, and we can make it by this way, just by swipe with our finger to down this volume panel. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.